I am very happy to introduce our new platform and ventilator Servo-c. It contains a lot of new features, including a new wide screen and also features that enables with nice design and gives a lot of support to give the treatment to the patient easier. Let's go to the open lung tool by the maneuvers. A part of the lung protective strategy is also to use the OLT trends that can be used for lung recruitment, PEEP titration, or just for a clinical intervention. It's on breath basis, and you can set it like this, and you can also go backwards to see earlier lung recruitments. There are also two functions as described before with nebulizer and end-tidal CO2. Nebulizer is connected like this and started here. That enables a set time like this, or it can be also adjusted for continuous use. And then start and highlighted by an icon here on the top. So here you can see the new metrics with end-tidal metric, including the curves on the bottom line after calibration. Here you see high flow therapy with access from both invasive and non-invasive modes without having to go through the standby position. And each step is shown by pictures to make it easier to understand with a quick access to this high therapy, including two settings of oxygen and flow that are adjustable. It includes new wider screen, and of course you can see the both settings for the pressure support, apnea time, and the backup widely on the screen. And of course we have the contextual help here. It also enables for fine-tuning of the settings.